How to use Dynamics 365 to integrate your CRM and ERP systems. Hello, business leaders and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the seamless integration of CRM and ERP systems with how to use Dynamics 365 to integrate your CRM and ERP systems. In a world where data integration is paramount, Dynamics 365 provides the tools to harmonize your CRM and ERP functionalities. Step 1. Navigate to Dynamics 365 Unified Interface and access integration features. In achieving a unified CRM and ERP experience is to navigate to the Dynamics 365 Unified Interface. Here, you'll find powerful features to seamlessly integrate your customer relationship management, CRM, and enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems. This unified interface serves as the hub for bringing together crucial business processes. Step 2. Dynamics 365 allows you to establish data synchronization between your CRM and ERP systems. Ensure that customer data, sales orders, and financial information are synchronized in real time, eliminating data silos and enhancing overall business visibility. With this synchronization, your teams can access the latest information, providing a holistic view of your business operations. Step 3. Streamline sales and finance workflows. Integrate your sales and finance workflows seamlessly within Dynamics 365. By connecting your CRM and ERP systems, you streamline processes such as lead to cash, ensuring a smooth transition from sales to finance. This integration enhances collaboration between departments and accelerates the overall sales cycle. Step 4. Dynamics 365 empowers you with unified customer insights by integrating CRM and ERP data. Gain a 360-degree view of your customers, including their purchasing history, interactions, and financial transactions. This unified view enables personalized customer interactions and informed decision-making. Step 5. Leverage Power Automate for custom integrations. Customize your integrations using Power Automate within Dynamics 365. Tailor workflows, automate processes, and create custom connections between CRM and ERP modules to meet your unique business requirements. With Power Automate, you have the flexibility to design integrations that align perfectly with your organizational needs. In conclusion, using Dynamics 365 to integrate your CRM and ERP systems is about navigating the unified interface, establishing data synchronization, streamlining workflows, utilizing unified customer insights, and leveraging Power Automate for custom integrations. Implement these strategies in your Dynamics 365 unified interface and unlock the full potential of a seamlessly integrated CRM and ERP system. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Dynamics 365 insights. Ready to revolutionize your business with integrated CRM and ERP? Connect with us at Synatech to explore the possibilities. Contact us today, and let's transform your business operations. Thank you for watching. We look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in our next video.